Now we are going to study about renewable sources of energy. So what is the meaning of the word renewable? It means which can be used again and again, which can be generated again and again. Renew, so which can be generated again and again. So renewable sources of energy, that is the energy that can be used again and again, or the energy which can be generated again and again. So which are the three different sources of renewable energy? It is wind energy, it is solar energy, and it is hydro energy. So as the word says wind, it is obtained from moving air or wind. And the example is the windmills. So you must have seen windmills which are situated on the top of the hills, because as you know, the wind is flowing very fast, right? So basically windmills, they are installed on top of the hill so that they can harness that energy, and they are used to generate electricity. And this electricity is used in the villages to electrify their houses, as well as it is used to grind the grains in the flour mill. So this is what wind energy is about. The next form of the energy is the solar energy. Now the word solar, it means something related to sun. So the energy which is obtained from sun. Remember, solar energy supports life on earth. It means the plants can prepare their own food with the help of solar energy, as well as the warmth or the particular temperature on the earth is maintained by sun. Now, this solar energy is used by solar cookers, solar cells, or solar lamps. So these are the gadgets which will harness the solar energy, and like solar cooker, it can be used to cook the rice and all. Solar cells and solar lamps work on solar energy. The next form of the energy is the hydro energy. So as the word suggests, hydro means something related to water. So hydro energy is obtained from water. So you must have seen that in dams, the water is stored at greater heights. So there it possesses potential energy due to position. The moment the water falls down, the potential energy is converted into kinetic energy. And this kinetic energy is used to turn those turbines. So the turbines rotate very faster and they produce electricity. So this is how hydro energy is used to produce electricity. So these are the three forms of renewable sources of energy, that is wind energy, solar energy, and hydro energy. Now we are going to see the difference between renewable resources of energy and non-renewable resources of energy. So the first point, the energy that can be used again and again. So please remember, renewable resources are the resources that the energy obtained from them can be used again and again, as well as the energy can be regenerated. Next point, it is obtained from renewable sources like sun, wind, and water. And we are very well aware that these resources will not get over. So these resources will not get over or run out, and therefore provide us with energy for a long time. So renewable resources of energy will be available for a very long time, and the energy, it can be regenerated as well as it can be used again and again. Now the next, non-renewable resources. So the first point is that it is the energy which cannot be used again and again. So in case of non-renewable resources, the energy cannot be used again and again. Now this kind of energy is obtained from coal and petrol, and there are many more. Please remember, these resources, okay, the formation of these kind of resources, it takes millions of years. So if we have to obtain these kind of energy from these kind of resources, they take millions of years for their formation. So these resources are limited. They may become extinct soon. Okay, as these resources are limited and they take millions of years for their formation, they will become extinct soon. The reason is that the population is increasing, but these resources are limited. So they are going to become extinct. So we should use these sources judiciously. Judiciously means wisely. So if we have to travel a distance, a short distance, we should walk down. If we want to travel a longer distance, we should use public transport. In case of fuel, means if fuel is the energy which is used over there, so we have to use all these sources judiciously, that is wisely. So this is the difference between renewable and non-renewable resources.